All right, so my wife's a gadget person, and she ordered this once and for all mandolin slicer the other day, which I thought was kind of funny because we already had a mandolin slicer, but I don't know what got into her, why she decided to look for another one, but she did. And let's take a look here at the components. I used it the other day to slice up some potatoes, which is what I'm about to do here. And I was very impressed. So wasn't expecting to be impressed, but I was. And so you've got the actual slicer here. The big difference with this one is the slicer actually moves the food, or moves the blade over the food. So there's a little protective door over the blade here. Then you twist the handle up top, and you're going to get that slicing motion there. In addition, you have a thickness gauge on the back that goes from 1 all the way to 10 in terms of how thick you want everything to be. So let's see here. And there's actually multiple increments. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps between each thickness as well. So there's a pretty wide variety of thickness you can do here. This piece here is going to attach onto here, and that's going to allow you to put your items in there and not have your fingers anywhere near them. And then this goes under here, attaches onto the stand there, and there are suction cups. There are 4 on each side to keep it from moving. So we're going to turn the handle, put our first potato in there, and I just messed with the thickness there, so I'm going to have to look to see how thick we are coming out here. So we're going to be doing like a crispy baked potato wedge or slices, so kind of like thin slices that we like to do as a healthy option alternative to like fried potatoes. So that's a pretty good size. So you saw the size of this potato here. Let's see how long that takes. So perfectly sliced. My fingers never came anywhere close to the blade. I've got 2 more here. Let's just go ahead and finish them off. So just to give you an idea, we weren't using the other mandolin previously on these. We were cutting them by hand with a knife. And after doing this the other day, I was completely sold on this thing. All right, so that fast, this thing's going to slide back down. We're going to lift up, remove this piece. And there is a little bit of stuff down there. We'll get it rinsed out. But this whole thing can go in the dishwasher. All the pieces go in as well. And that's it. So all-in-one mandolin slicer, thick to thin, from 0.2 millimeter up to 8 millimeter is the size there. And it looks like there might be a little bit of a cleaning brush too. I don't know where that is. So sure it's in the drawer here, but pretty cool. I love it. I was super impressed on how everything came out on that. So if you're interested in one of these, you can find them on Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description and in the comments. Hit that like and subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you next time.